So neural networks, let's talk about them, right? Here's one thing that I'm going to do a little bit differently for today because we're kicking off the series today. I think that there's way too many tutorials out there or way too many approaches like Coursera courses or whatever that just jump into, hey, let's program a neural network. And, they get all excited about it and they talk about the frameworks and all that. But what I want to do is I just kind of want to just take a step back. And I want to give us all a meta view into what neural networks are. So as you guys know, I love the participation. So I'm going to be relying on you guys to give me some answers and feedback here. But I expect that we're going to do very, very little coding today. I kind of just want to talk about neural networks at a high level because I don't think enough people take the time to do that. And I want to do this for two reasons. Well, three, right? Not enough courses do that. But two, I don't think you can really work with neural networks effectively long term unless you take the time to understand them, right? And three, I just think it makes them less intimidating, right? Like,